Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holder? This is live price prediction of Anchor coin, my brother, and absolutely after a very long time, Anchor coin price will increasing. So therefore, my brother, I will make this special video for all my Anchor viewers, my subscriber. Sorry, my friend. If you are new my channel, then kindly subscribe this channel. This is very important to you. Will be subscribed, and I will give you 100% guarantee to you. If you subscribe this channel, you will never lost. So absolutely, there is a no YouTube channel today will give you this type, my friend, guarantee now. So this time, as you can see, my friend, 3 days chart is on the screen, and plus 7.44% the price of Anchor is increasing. So all my viewers, my subscriber who have a plan to invest in Anchor coin, listen and please try to understand. In those days, remember, first of all, the last 10 days of every month, every coin, not just unique Anchor coin, my friend, I think very bad coin, my friend, especially Dutch coin, especially were very badly falls down. But in those days, they were completely on the trending and moving upward. So therefore, my brother, I will also tell you to Anchor is also one of the best cryptocurrency. So this time is increasing now. The price is very fastly increasing now, and you can see here 0.1 USD dollar they will already hit now. So first of all, congratulations, my brother, and I hope to again they will easily hit now 0.1 USD dollar. And there is a chance to at the end of month, and it's mean to in 7 to 8 days, my friend, they will give you just in only, my friends, 20% profit. Because, my friends, the especially short term investor, they are very interesting and Anchor coin. So therefore I know to if they are starting investing, so therefore the price will be increasing more and more. So kindly holder, if you also, my friend, have a plan to invest for a short time, then I think this will be very good now. But if you have a plan to invest for a long time, so kindly invest, my friend. And the end of month, I'm 100% sure to the price is going where very badly falls down, my friend. So therefore you need, my friends, to buy when the price will very cheap now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.